Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about stellar lumens, or formerly known as XLM. We are currently looking at the daily chart. So each candlestick represents 24 hours of price action. Green days are positive days when the price closed higher than when it opened for the day, and red candles are the opposite. So let's jump right in. As you can see, I started to increase my holdings on XLM about a week ago now. The price has still been moving down, so I've been able to average my buy price around 40 cents per coin. By the end of this video, you'll understand why I'm not worried about being 17% down on this trade, and most importantly, what will be the catalyst to make the price spike up. But first you have to understand the herd mentality. Take a herd of buffalo on the savannah, just grazing away, having a great time in the sun. Then all of a sudden, all the animals stop eating and look alert. So buying into the herd mentality, as we are part of the herd, we also stop eating and look up. At that point, we see a lion heading towards us and we quickly start running with the rest of the herd. Now there were some maverick buffaloes that carried on eating, and we all know what happened to them. Now the market is exactly the same. If you asked any child from left to right, which way is this graph going, up or down, they would say it's going up. Now the trend is our friend unless proved otherwise. So the only logical thing to do is to buy into this market, because we should at least see a test of the previous high before coming back down again. If we look at the pattern of the previous uptrend, it went up and then it came down back to the previous high, then continued the move north. So much so that the previous move becomes a blip in the chart when you scroll back to the current price. The same will happen again. We just need some indicators on the chart, which we now have. Price has failed to close below 31 cents nearly 7 times. So about here, we've got once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times yesterday, and 7 times if we see price fall further and bounce back today. We really need a push past 50, it's about here, to become bullish. And for that, we need some good news, which is due on the 5th of March, which is on Monday. So last year, the value of NEO rose significantly after the NEO conference in Asia. Now that's because the conference attracted media attention to that crypto. It also acts as a platform for the NEO team to announce different upcoming projects. Now if you missed out on the chance to profit from the NEO conference, then you have another chance to make money, this time with Stellar XLM. So on the 5th of March, Stellar Lumens will be partnering with eToro, which I think is an amazing partnership, to discuss the future of blockchain innovations. The meeting will be running under the FinTech Week Tel Aviv 2018, which will feature the founders of Stellar and eToro. It will also entail a question and answer session where participants will have a chance to ask questions on different blockchain related issues. So how is this a great thing for Stellar investors? Well, for starters, this is a big conference and you can expect Stellar Lumens to be all over. In crypto related news, naturally, this hype will drive investor interest in this crypto, leading to an increase in trading volumes and its price. Already, as you've seen, the Stellar Lumens chart is forming a double bottom pattern, which is usually a sign of an impending price rise. In this case, it's a sign that investors are buying into Stellar in anticipation of the price excitement that's coming in the next few days. In fact, based on that pattern alone, Stellar Lumens has the potential to hit a valuation of 60 cents in the next few days. So as you can see, my total investment's around about $2,000 odd. If Stellar Lumens moves to 60 cents, I will make about 5 grand in a couple of days. Then there is also the fact that during this conference, the founder of Stellar Lumens might make some major announcements about future projects in the pipeline. Remember, the conference is in Israel, and in the last few years, Israel has shaped up as a minor Silicon Valley. If by any chance Stellar announces some serious partnerships with Israeli tech companies during this conference, Stellar Lumens will be heading to the moon. Even a valuation of $1 would be within the range of possibility immediately after the conference. Now, the good news is that chances of such an announcement are quite high. Considering that the conference is all about ways to make blockchain better, in line with the theme, it is only natural to expect the founder of Stellar to announce some serious upcoming projects that he believes will play a role in making blockchain and the cryptocurrency space even better. So what should you do now? I've provided a link at the bottom of this video so that you can go over to eToro and open your account. The minimum deposit at eToro is $200. And you can expect to double that $200 in the next couple of days. Now, if you can put more, I suggest you put more. I'm $2,000 deep and I can't wait to see what happens next week. I'd like you to come along and jump in my ride and follow my story as we march on to $140,000. Thanks for listening and happy trading. Bye for now.